we'll guide you through how to choose between Gumroad and Shopify for your online business needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website. Gumroad is perfect for creators and digital product sellers. It's straightforward and minimalistic, allowing you to start selling quickly without fuss. You can set up a page in minutes and start listing your products. It's particularly suited for those selling ebooks, music, or digital art. The platform takes care of VAT handling and offers a simple pricing model, charging a percentage on each sale. It also allows you to build an audience with email newsletters and memberships. Now, switch over to Shopify's website. Shopify is a robust e-commerce platform ideal for businesses with a wide range of products, including physical goods. It's very customizable, with numerous themes and apps to tailor your store to your brand needs. Shopify offers comprehensive inventory management, shipping integrations, and payment gateways, making it a great choice for larger-scale operations. It's important to note that Shopify requires more setup time and has a monthly fee, but it provides a full suite of features for scaling your business. So, if you're a creator looking to sell digital products easily and with minimal fuss, Gumroad might be your best bet. However, if you're planning to run a full-fledged online store with physical products and need extensive customization and management tools, Shopify is the way to go. Consider what you plan to sell, how much control you want over your store's design, and your budget when making your decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.